There you go. It's the Mk1 again. Yeah, sorry I've been ignoring it. It's been feeling sorry, so thought I'd best get out here and work on it. Yeah, I think it's been about time. Silly old race cars can't take all the time, can they? So yeah, just trying to catch up on exactly where I was, so we're getting close to fitting the front end. One eagle-eyed spotter, viewer, spotted, and my fault, I forgot to put the spacers under. They go under the subframe, or they go above the subframe and in between that and the body. So that's mostly not helping me with my alignment. So they're a good quarter of an inch thick. So basically by the time you sort of times the angle aspect, by the time it gets to the front, it's mostly half an inch. So we'll pop them on because we give them a quick clean up and pop them on. So yeah, on later cars they're rubber. I thought in my head, I was just sitting here thinking the later cars just had rubber and the original ones didn't have nothing. So I'm not too sure why they had spaces, like that. It must have been a reason. Maybe they just didn't want metal to metal. Well, metal, but subframe to body, but or something. There was mostly some reason, that's for sure. So yeah, we get them on. That should help with the front out. What we need to then do is try and get the wire brush and try and clean up a lot of these edges ready for the spot welder to be done. I think if I remember rightly, yeah, we've just got a little bit of trimming to do on these panels before we can go back on for the last time and we can get the spot weld on it. And yeah, let's do that then. So yeah, let's find my spanners and sockets which I've left all over the place and see if we can fit these. Okay, fairly easy to put in, clean up. Got a bit of paint on them later when the subframe comes out for the last time. So yeah, that helps the alignment process. Looking just at the bottom holes, front mounts, looking a lot better, so that's good. Well spotted. I've forgotten the guy's name. I do apologise for giving him credit. But here you go. I do like to show all my mistakes, don't I? So hopefully some people will learn from my mistakes and remember to do things properly. So anyway, yeah, so what we're going to do now is just double check a few bits and see what we need to trim. And then yeah, let's take the panels off and give them a good wire brush up so we can clean it all up ready for spot welding. Okay, what I'm just doing is just drilling some holes in those, I don't know if you can just see them down there, the little tabs that come out on the front panel. Just drilling 3 big holes, or will be big holes in a minute, so I can then get some plug welds through those once it's all on the car later, through to the inner wing. Yeah, still need to finish off that little bottom bit, so we've got to do that before we can finally put this front end on, so I will have to go get some more gas. But yeah, this is good. I like this. This is getting prepped. It's just making me sure that actually we weren't far off finishing this front end. We can get this front end on, finish up welding up all the A panels, finish a few little bits off underneath. I think somebody told me there's a hole in the rear arch, and then shot blaster that I've been talking about for the last 5 months. We can finally get him round to shot blast it and we can paint it. So yeah, all right, going good. Let's find a bigger drill.